Hi, my name is Sebastian Schreiber and I'm the CTO of SOMAG AG Jena. We are a company who design and develop gyro stabilization mounts which are used to compensate arbitrary movements and vibrations in all three axes. Our devices are used for data acquisition systems and surveillance applications as well. They are used to compensate the vehicle movements on boats, airplanes and marina vessels as well. We actually introduced a new stabilization mount on this year's INTERGEO, the OSM 4000. This is a stabilization unit which is specifically designed for marine and land applications. It's splashwater, saltwater and dust resistant, and it can take up a payload of 160 kilograms. If you'd like to receive more information, please visit our website somag-ag.de, and it would be great if you can sign up for our newsletter.